A medication developed by the pharmacy giant Merck could become the first pill to treat COVID-19. In clinical trials, molnupiravir reduced hospitalization and deaths in newly diagnosed patients. If approved by the FDA late next month, the treatment could be a potential game changer during the pandemic by easing patient loads and stress on hospitals here in Maine. But the treatment is not a replacement for the vaccine, which the Centers for Disease Control says remains the best tool to prevent infection. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee tells us more.
As hospitalizations from COVID-19 are on the rise in Maine, a potential new treatment to prevent its spread is closer on the horizon.
Given that we do have people who break through with the vaccine or people who are unvaccinated, certainly having another tool in the toolbox with them.
Dr. Dora Mills is the Chief Health Improvement Officer for Maine Health. The new tool is an antiviral pill, molnupiravir. Developed by drug maker Merck, the oral dose includes 4 200-milligram capsules taken twice a day for 5 days after a patient is diagnosed with COVID-19. Dr. Mills says the treatment could be first available to the elderly and high-risk patients, but other people could possibly be excluded.
Women of childbearing age, if they're pregnant or thinking about becoming pregnant, we're not sure whether it doesn't look like they'll be able to take it. They may need a pregnancy test first.
Now, the pill by Merck was initially developed as a potential treatment for influenza. Once inside the body, it works by stopping COVID-19 from multiplying and destroying more cells.
It inserts some errors into that genetic code, and then therefore the virus can't keep replicating. So it's important that it be given very early.
Merck is seeking emergency use authorization for molnupiravir following successful results of initial patient trials.
They did report a 50% reduction in that risk of hospitalization or death in the data that was submitted, which is extremely encouraging.
Matt Marston is the vice president of pharmacy for Northern Light Health. He says the treatment could help ease the demand for existing treatments, which are given through an IV, and rising patient cases. But experts say the treatment is by no means a substitute for the vaccine to protect against the virus.
Vaccine is by far the most effective way to reduce your chances to remain healthy.
The FDA could issue approval for the treatment in late November. Both Northern Light and Maine Health Systems could make the Merck pill available for patients on a limited basis as early as December. In Portland, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
We'll have a lot more information about this treatment on our website and mobile app.